A strong and satisfying intimate relationship is built on trust, love, and physical connection. As a devoted partner, you constantly seek ways to surprise and delight your wife. While grand gestures and romantic surprises are important, sometimes it's the small yet meaningful actions that can make a lasting impact. One such action is incorporating Kegel exercises into your daily routine. In this video, we will explore the benefits of Kegel exercises, how they can enhance your wife's pleasure, and provide a step-by-step guide to performing these exercises in just 5 minutes a day. Kegel exercises offer numerous benefits for both men and women. For women, these exercises can help during pregnancy and childbirth, as they strengthen the pelvic floor muscles that support the growing uterus and aid in a smoother delivery. Additionally, Kegel exercises can be beneficial for women of all ages, especially those experiencing menopause, as they help counteract the loss of muscle tone and prevent urinary incontinence. Men can also greatly benefit from Kegel exercises. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles can aid in improving bladder control, especially for those dealing with issues like urinary incontinence or overactive bladder. Additionally, Kegel exercises can enhance sexual function by improving erectile strength and control, leading to more satisfying sexual experiences for both partners. By including Kegel exercises in your daily routine, you can promote overall pelvic health and improve the quality of your intimate relationships. The benefits for your wife. Engaging in Kegel exercises can bring a whole new level of excitement and satisfaction to your intimate moments with your wife. By strengthening her pelvic floor muscles, these exercises can enhance sensitivity and pleasure for both of you. The increased muscle tone achieved through regular Kegel exercises can result in intensified orgasms and a heightened sense of fulfillment, adding a spicy spark to your sexual encounters. Not only do Kegel exercises contribute to heightened pleasure, but they also offer practical benefits. Your wife can regain and maintain a tighter vaginal grip, improving vaginal tone and adding an extra level of sensation during intercourse. This enhanced vaginal tone can be particularly beneficial for women who have given birth or experienced age-related changes. By incorporating Kegel exercises into her routine, your wife can reclaim her confidence and contribute to an even more satisfying sexual experience for both partners. In addition to the pleasure-enhancing effects, Kegel exercises can provide tangible improvements in bladder control. Many women experience urinary incontinence, which can be caused by childbirth, aging, or certain medical conditions. By strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, Kegel exercises can help your wife regain control over her bladder and reduce or even eliminate involuntary urine leakage. This improvement in bladder control can significantly boost her confidence and comfort, allowing her to fully enjoy intimate moments without any worries or interruptions. Now that you're in a comfortable position, it's time to begin the Kegel exercises. Start by contracting your pelvic floor muscles and holding the contraction for a few seconds, around 5 to 10 seconds. It's essential to focus on only engaging the pelvic floor muscles without tensing your abdomen, buttocks, or thighs. After the contraction, relax the muscles for an equal amount of time. This allows them to rest and recover before the next contraction. Repeat this cycle of contraction and relaxation for about 10 to 15 repetitions, aiming to gradually increase the duration of each contraction over time. To make your Kegel exercises more challenging, you can try doing quick contractions, where you contract and relax the muscles rapidly. These quick contractions can be done in sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Consistency is key when it comes to Kegel exercises. Aim to incorporate them into your daily routine, setting aside just 5 minutes each day to focus on strengthening your pelvic floor muscles. Whether it's during your morning routine, a lunch break, or before bedtime, finding a consistent time that works for you will help you stay committed to the exercises. To perform Kegel exercises, begin by contracting and holding the pelvic floor muscles. Picture the muscles around the vagina and anus squeezing and tightening. Hold this contraction for a count of 3 to 5 seconds, focusing solely on the targeted muscles. It's important to avoid holding your breath or tensing other areas like the abdomen, buttocks, or thighs. After the contraction, release the muscles and allow them to relax for the same duration as the contraction. This recovery period is crucial to prevent muscle fatigue and strain. It's like giving your pelvic floor muscles a little breather before the next round. As you start incorporating Kegel exercises into your routine, begin with 10 repetitions. Perform them in a steady rhythm, focusing on the quality of each contraction and release. Over time, as your pelvic floor muscles become stronger, gradually increase the number of repetitions. Aim for up to 20 repetitions or follow the recommendations provided by a healthcare professional. Remember, consistency is key to achieving the best results. Incorporating Kegel exercises into your wife's daily routine can be made easier with a few simple strategies. Set reminders or alarms on her phone, or place sticky notes in visible locations to prompt her to perform the exercises. These gentle reminders will help ensure that she doesn't forget to include Kegel exercises in her day. Make it a joint effort by participating in the exercises together. Not only will it show your support, but it can also be a fun and intimate way to connect with your wife on a daily basis. Working together towards pelvic health can strengthen your bond as a couple. Don't forget to offer words of encouragement and express appreciation for your wife's dedication to her pelvic health. Let her know that you recognize her commitment and are proud of her efforts. Positive reinforcement can be a powerful motivator in maintaining consistency. It's important to remember that results may take time, so encourage your wife to be patient and track her progress. By celebrating milestones and acknowledging the positive changes she experiences along the way, you can help her stay motivated and focused on her journey to improved pelvic health. With your support, she will be inspired to continue her Kegel exercises and enjoy the benefits they provide. Surprising your wife with the suggestion of doing Kegel exercises together can have a significant impact on your relationship and her personal well-being. Kegel exercises are a simple yet powerful way to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which can lead to improved sexual satisfaction, increased bladder control, and enhanced overall health. By encouraging your wife to incorporate just 5 minutes of Kegel exercises into her daily routine, you are demonstrating your support, care, and commitment to her physical and emotional health. Not only will these exercises benefit your wife's intimate experiences, but they also have broader effects on her confidence and postpartum recovery. For women who have given birth, Kegel exercises can aid in restoring muscle tone and reducing the risk of pelvic organ prolapse. By actively participating in this journey with your wife, you are fostering a deeper level of intimacy, trust, and connection in your relationship. So surprise your wife with this simple yet impactful suggestion of doing Kegel exercises together. By doing so, you are not only investing in her well-being, but also strengthening the bond between you as a couple. Embrace the opportunity to support her on this journey of self-care and shared intimacy, and enjoy the positive effects it will have on your relationship. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.